Yo, what's poppin', my goons? We back. Oh yeah, right back to that credit game for the goons. You know who, you know what it do. The one and only Spontaneous Productions Part 2. Man, we back. Live in effect, live and direct. We live. Let's connect. On my goons, worldwide respect. Man, I'm glad you pulled up. I'm glad you got your ear glued to the speaker. Man, we all came to huddle up and congregate to get that credit right, get that bag right, change our life, get our life right, get straight, get great, all of that, eat off a bigger dinner plate, you heard? So our goons pulled up. So you want some sauce? Man, I'm about to hit you with that. But before we do me one quick solid though. Smash on the like and subscribe button right now so we can get busy. It's time to get activated because you know they can't fade it. You know them goofy ass goons hate it. You know, all my rule goons tapped in. So let's get busy like we always do. So yo, it's 2025. It's tax season. A lot of goons are getting their money back with a tax refund check. So yo, if you get a tax refund check coming, yo, you got an opportunity to make some plays, alright? So, you know, it's about to be a lot of tax season things going on where goons about to get back, you know, $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, whatever it is. So it's 2025, New Year. Let's make that money grow. So here's what I would do. If I got a tax refund check coming in and goons want to get more money with that, plant that investment seed, all right? Take your tax money and make a play, you heard? Make a financial play, my goons. So I'm going to give you a financial play you can do to really keep that money multiplying and growing. So what I would do with a tax refund check is I would buy credit products, all right? Straight like that. That's the first step. Credit products, all right? So let's just assume that a goon has no credit, no nothing, no personal credit, no business credit, no nothing. All right, you want to get approved. I promise you, get started now. Within 6 months, you can start getting approved. You get $20,000 credit, $50,000, $100,000, $200,000. It's going to start rolling in. All right, and even more. The more you put in, the more you're going to get back. All right, it's going to start rolling in. But for sure, it's not out of reach to get you 6 figures in credit, all right, in a year. For sure. I did it. A lot of goons did it. So a lot of goons got 7 figures in a year, all right? And it's possible. Straight like that. Because once you start getting credit, it's easier to get more. So what I would do with a tax refund check, somebody who's got no credit or bad credit, I would say start with fixing your credit. Go do credit repair. I don't know what you got on your credit file. Me, I just fumbled the bag with the credit and was down $58,000 in bad credit. But I did a credit sweep. So what a credit sweep is when you sweep off all the information off your credit report file, but just only keep the positive stuff. All right, if you ain't got no positive, cool, don't worry about that. But just get rid of all that negative, all the information, all the old addresses, cleaning up, you know, you clean that house. Old addresses gotta go, old jobs gotta go, old phone numbers gotta go. Anything old, just get rid of it, delete it all. This is how you can do this. Anybody can do this. This costs you no money. You can hire a credit repair specialist. You can hire me if you want step-by-step sauce on how to sweep a credit file and get everything gone within 7 days. Okay, some people take, 2 weeks. Some people take 1 month. Some people take 3 months. Some people take 6 months. Results will vary from situation and the way the methods are applied. Okay, but yes, start there with credit repair. Okay. So that's one thing you can invest in. All right, I would recommend don't invest too much of money into that. Just learn the method, and you can make money with that. So that gives you a money-making opportunity. Learn how to do credit repair. You can fix other people's credit for profit, straight like that. You can launch a social media campaign and just make commercials, make ads, and people will come. They got fucked up credit. You can help them out. All right. So credit repair, I would say start there. All right. So now, the next thing I would recommend to invest in is credit trade lines. You need positive trade line information reporting. That's how you're going to get more credit, okay? So what goons can do is start adding high limit trade lines. You want to add high limit trade lines to get high limit credit. Don't run around. People might tell you, go get secured cards. I think that's nonsense. Do not go get $500 secured cards, $200 secured cards. They do help boost your credit and all that, Chime, credit builder loans. Yes, that stuff does work. However, we're playing in the big boy leagues, big boy game, and goons want to boss up, okay? To boss up with the credit, you need big lines, big files, all right? So what we're going to do is go to Credit Strong. Go straight to Credit Strong, all right? And go get the big loans, the $30,000 Magnum account, okay? $30,000, cost you $350 a month, okay? Go get that, okay? Even if you let that hit for like 3 months, that's gonna put some big chunky meat on your credit file. You could always close that. It's an installment loan, okay? You close an installment loan. I got a Credit Strong. I let it hit for like 4 months, $30,000 trade line, and I closed it. So it looks like I paid off a $30,000 loan in 4 months on my credit report file, and it sticks on the file. So now, whenever I go apply for credit, all the banks and lenders are gonna see, hey, I paid off $30,000. Okay, I borrowed $30,000. I was worthy of that first. Okay, and then I was able to manage it properly because I paid it off with no lates in 4 months, and that's pretty quick to pay off $30,000. That's basically like an auto loan, all right? So I got to put an auto loan without having an auto loan on my credit profile. Start there. So in Credit Strong, they have 15,000 as well. If you don't want to go that big, they got 10,000. They got 5,000. They got 1,000. But I don't recommend the small ones like that. Okay, the only small one I'll recommend for you to get is Revolve. Revolve is revolving credit. Now the Revolve Credit Strong line, it starts off as $1,000, but it can grow up to $3,000. You keep making payments. But if you pay $100, then it'll just report $1,000 trade line for 1 year. So you can set it and forget it. Okay, I would invest in that. That's the only small trade line I would recommend anyone to get. You could have 2 of those if you wish to. That makes 2 accounts. All right, the more accounts you got, the more fuller your credit profile looks. Okay, some will say you want like 10 accounts, but if you're, you got advanced methods, then you don't need that much, okay? That results always vary depending on what you got going, because no 2 credit files are the same. But assuming you have no credit at all, you want to add big stuff. So go get the 30,000, go get the 15,000. I got the 15,002 reporting on my line. I still got mine in good standing. About 5 months I've been paying on it. So, that's another one. You want high credit lines. Banks give comparable credit to what you got. So I would say start there. You want to take your tax money, invest it in trade lines. Those are 2 good ones right there. Credit Strong for revolving credit and for installment loans also. All right. The next thing I would recommend goons to invest in is also start an LLC. Get business credit. Now, the thing with LLCs and business credit, they give about 3 times more credit than personal credit. Okay, even 3 to 5 times more. So if you can get 100,000 on your personal credit, then you can for sure get 300,000 on your business credit. You can build both at the same time. All right, my goons, blast off dual simultaneous method. That's how we do that. We build the personal credit and we build the EIN credit, okay? Your EIN, that's your business credit social security number, same 9-digit number, all right? So you want to go get your LLC, there's a variety of places. You can go to InkFile, you can go to Busy, you can go to Taylor Brands, you can go to Northwest Registered Agent. That's where I went to, Northwest Registered Agent. So I got a video on that. I teach goons how to build business credit. It's a 4-part series, so there's 4 videos. Check that out, my goons. I go step by step in detail how to launch it. And it doesn't cost much depending on where you get it. You can open up an LLC as low as $50, all right, out of New Mexico. That's the cheapest place. Mine's out of Wyoming because they got privacy and stuff like that. They're real good with the privacy laws over there, and it's cheap too, only $104, okay, to file over there. So, Northwest Registered Agent, I recommend that. It's a good service. So, goons can open up that, and then you got to add business trade lines. You can get business trade lines for as low as $20. My lowest business credit trade lines, $20 inside of Incredible. So, there's a variety of different business credit trade lines you can get. And you can pay a variety of prices, okay? Low is $20, but you can pay, $1,000, $500. Credit Strong has a $50,000 business credit line, and it costs like $2,000 to open up, and then it's like $1,000 a month to pay on that. But you can open that up, close that down, and then boom, you got a $50,000 credit line on your business credit profile, which will help you get, business credit. So I would say goons can invest in that. So take your tax money and just invest in credit products. All right. So invest in personal credit trade lines. If you have bad credit, invest in credit repair. Okay. And if you don't have an LLC, open up an LLC so you can start getting business credit, my goons. Come on. I'm giving you sauce to blast off for 2025 and then pay on all this stuff. Be responsible with the payments. Make it easy on yourself. Put all this stuff on auto pay. Let that stuff get to busting on the profile, and then give it a couple of months. I promise you, 6 months, you'll have some good gains and you'll be able to start getting credit approvals. And you know that it's working when you start getting offers for credit. Even if they're offering you $500 credit or $1,000 credit, don't take it. But now you know that your profile's in circulation amongst the lenders. Okay, these banks and lending institutions are looking for goons just like you to loan money to. That's how they make their money. Okay, so it makes the world go round. Is this credit? So you gotta pay to play in this credit game. All right. So they're looking for people to loan money to, but you got to show you're responsible. All right. So now that you did that, you got your business LLC opened up and all your paperwork legit. It don't take long. It's not hard. You can have that going in 7 days. Give it 7 days. You can have all your business LLC paperwork done, up and running by trade lines. All right. Credit repair, same thing. You can start fixing your credit within 7 days. Okay. 30 days, have stuff moving in motion. Trade lines, you give trade lines 30 days and they start hitting on your credit profile. Okay. Straight like that. Variety of places to get trade lines. You go to Kickoff, get a $3,500 revolving trade line. You go to meetava.com and get a $2,500, revolving credit trade line. There's the joint with the unicorn, like was it Unicorn AI? They're giving out like $1,500 to $2,000 on a trade line. But also, you don't want no hard inquiries too. So make sure you only mess with credit products and give no hard inquiries. Save all your hard inquiries for when you go apply for real credit. All right, the less hard inquiries, the better. Trust me. And then when it's time, you got good high credit scores. Now your credit scores are high. Now you want to go on a funding spree and you want to start using the 3 bureau pull method. Find credit cards that pull from each different credit bureau. Okay? And then once you got that information, line it up. Okay? Your applications. And then go get a credit card that pulls from Experian, a credit card that pulls from Equifax, and a credit card that pulls from TransUnion. Assuming all your credit bureau files are all clean. And then boom, you should get 3 credit cards. And then now you got the ball rolling, high limit credit cards. And once you got credit cards, it's easier to get more credit. All right? This is what you could do with your tax money. Invest in credit products, I promise you. And then once you got that money from credits, you can go ahead and make investments. Invest in the money plays, and there's a variety of money plays out here. You need some different sauce that I can't share on YouTube. You know where to get it from. Holla at me. Tap into the goal, and I'll lead you into the direction to some interesting territory you heard, you probably never even heard about. All right. So you found the value in this video? You know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, comment. We'll keep blasting off with the crazy papa credit game for the goons. You know who. The one and only Spontaneous Productions Part 2. If you want sauce on where to get authorized user trade lines for a low price, so you can get high credit trade lines that report, okay, high credit line and long age, holla at me. I got a plug for that. You can get them at a discount. You can even sell them, resell them, and make a business out of it. All right, if you wish to. And you can get credit suite methods. You want to learn exclusive sauce on how to do that properly, so you can have stuff deleted for sure, guaranteed results. I got that sauce too. Holla at me. You want to get a profile, build a fire profile so you can get approved? I got that sauce too. Holla at me. Money plays, different stuff we can't talk about on YouTube. Holla at me. I got that too. Variety of things. That's what we do. You already know. We're making those moves for the goons. Keep it bugging. Keep it smooth. Credit game for the goons. The one and only. You heard? Just tap in. Thank you, goons, for pulling up again and again. You heard? Give me that energy to win. You heard? So we're going to do that. So all my goons, blast off. Take that tax money and invest that tax money in some credit products. You heard? You gonna blast off, man. 6 figures, 7 figures. All my goons gonna go crazy. That's how we gonna do that. Till next time, my goons, we out. Peace.